Okay, everyone, let's go inside now.
Yeah, okay.
This way, follow me. Whoa, what happened here?
It's so messy. Yeah, toys are everywhere. Oh, what happened?
Looks like playtime left its mark. Let's clean it up together.
Tidy up, everybody go. Pick things up and clean up slow. Pick toys from the floor. Put them back where they were before. Blocks in the box, dolls on the chair. Everything goes back with care. Books, stack them neat. Keep our classroom nice and sweet. Pencils here and colors there. Clean up time, let's all share. Help your friends, don't delay. Cleaning up is fun today. Work together, one by one. Tidy up is lots of fun. Tidy up, clean and shine. Make our classroom look so fine. Clap, we're all done. Cleaning up is so much fun. Did you like cleaning with us?
Then don't forget to
Like and subscribe!